seriously feeling my pattern at the back. If only I had an idea what was going at the back of my hair. Hey, beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I am Bellex, and make sure you subscribe down below. So today I'm going to be trying out a simple hairstyle, or not so simple as I thought. So I'm starting off with a freshly washed hair. My hair is washed and stretched. uh my hair is actually a virgin hair. I haven't relaxed it for over 6 years now. So yeah, the most important part of this hairstyle is the pattern. It wasn't really easy for me. I thought this hair was going to be easy because I just wanted to do a YouTube video. And I thought, okay, I went through my YouTube channel. I saw this easy style. I said, okay, let me try it out. And here I am trying it out. I suffered. So seriously, so I'm going to be parting my hair in three section. Yeah, three section and subs. I did three section: the front, the middle, and the back, and subsections too. I had 12 subsections. I did 5 in front, 4 in the middle, then 3 at the back, which is 12 in total. So for this Bantu knots, I'm going to be trying out a triangle pattern, triangle design. So I'll be cutting out shapes in triangle form. This is the first pattern. I'm going to show you guys how I did it. They were not looking perfect, should be told, guys. I had so many so many problems doing this hair. This is the first time I'm actually trying out a hairstyle on my head by myself, and it wasn't easy. But seriously, we need to give accolades to people who actually make their hair by themselves, because it wasn't so easy. I tried fixing a mirror at the back so it could help me, but I couldn't get it. I had only one mirror in my house, so I just tried out with that. So I'm going to be using this eco gel to gel my hair to make it flat. I use eco gel because it helps my hair a lot of way. There are so many gels out there, but eco gel just the best for me. There are some gel you're going to use on your hair as a virgin hair, then it turns your hair whitish, but the eco gel doesn't do that on my hair, so I like using the eco gel. So another thing I used for this style was a rubber band. I was supposed to use a small rubber band, but actually I ran out of that, so I decided to use this regular rubber band. You can find it in the market or anywhere. It's actually good. Take note, guys, before using rubber band on your hair, make sure you touch the rubber band with an oil. Any hair oil is recommended for me, and the oil helps rubber band not to cut your hair when losing it out. We all know how delicate our hair is, so the oil helps your hair not to break out. Yeah, when losing it out, it doesn't cause breakage to your hair. So I'm going to show you guys how I did the second part. If you missed out on the first one, this is me trying out the second part. I did the same thing. Use your rubber band to tie it, then I'm going to twist the hair out. This is actually a protective style for people with long hair and grooming their natural hair. This is actually a protective style. Just twist out the hair. I'm going to go on to do that to the rest of the hair. I'm going to be creating, like I said earlier, 5 subsection of this hair. I'm just doing a triangle design. Done the third one. This is gonna be the fourth one. Just showing you guys how I was able to create these angles on my hair. Yeah, so that was it. Went on. So yeah, the first I've actually done the first line, and truth be told, guys, it wasn't easy. So I had lots of issue doing the back. this middle and the back, I'm sure if they were giving score on this, I would actually score 0.05. Trying to part my hair wasn't easy for me, guys. And this is me tired and tired and tired, also encouraging myself to go.
A few moments later.
Finally, we did it. So the next step is to go on with our extension. I use the Darling Superstar extension for this process. We're going to stretch it out, then take it little by little to twist out our hair. Just place it on. Just braid it a little bit. Braid it on a little bit. You can get the extension in the supermarket or also in the market. It's not that hard to get. After braiding it a little, you twist it out. Then you go on and make your dough. Or you just roll it out. Just roll it out gently. Make sure you're rolling as you're rolling it, you're also rolling the attachment, you're rolling the extension. Just make sure you're rolling it. If you have a question to ask, you can drop your comments below. I will gladly reply. Just ask any question. I'm not a professional, this is my first time, guys, and I was able to achieve a lot. You too can do the same. I'm also showing you guys how I got the second part. This is me trying out the second. I'm showing you guys how I did it. If you didn't actually grab it the first time, this is me trying it out again. So watch, guys. Watch. You too can do it. I did it. As you're rolling, make sure you hold down the dough you've already done. That's the head. Just make sure you hold it down and roll the extension. Don't leave that side. Once you leave that side, the whole thing is going to be a disaster. So just make sure you hold it down and also roll. It's not easy, guys. It is really not easy. So yeah, we did it. What do you think, guys? Almost there. This is the last one, and kind of joy that was inside me. It took me an hour or so to achieve this hairstyle. Try it out, guys, and let me know what you think in the comment section. And if you've watched to this extent and you've not subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button. I am begging you. I'm pleading. I'm even crying. I'm begging you, guys. Please just click the subscribe button and also drop a comment. Yeah, just roll it out. Practically the same thing with it. I'll prefer you guys use the small elastic band, not the one that I use. If you have the small elastic band, just go on with that. it's going to be a lot easier for you guys. So yeah, I'm done. I'm going on to do my edges now. I use the hair wax. I'm going to drop list of products I used in my description button in case you need it. The hair wax is good. It doesn't make my hair white too. Don't know, my hair, I don't know if it's a special. No, all hair wax makes hair like edge control, so all hair wax actually make your hair white, but I don't know, my hair doesn't actually turn white when I use most of this product that I use, and I really appreciate it. I'm done, guys. It wasn't easy. The back, don't go there. I really didn't get the pattern at the back, but yeah, thank God for success. Bye, guys. See you later. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.